use application of GIS. First is disaster management. Today, well-developed GIS systems are used to protect the environment. It has become an integrated, well-developed and successful tool in disaster management and mitigation. The term mitigation may be a new for you. So mitigation means we are preparing for a disaster before happening. Okay, before the occurrence of a disaster, we are preparing for that. So for mitigation as well as for disaster management, we can use GIS. And also by using GIS, we can find the areas which are prone to disasters. Okay. So next is crime statistics. GIS is now vital to law enforcement and planning in terms of crime statistics. The ability to share maps and look for correlations between different types of crime can give police as much better idea of overall picture of a wider region. So in order to find crime, okay, usually law enforcement officers rely on GIS for many purposes. Okay. Next is archaeology. GIS is now critical to many elements of archaeology as it takes on more elements and characteristics of environmental science. There are many applications in the field of historical research, but none has been more beneficial than the prediction of historical site location. So by using GIS, we can find out the site location which has historical evidences. So it can be used for archaeology. Okay. Next is civic planning. GIS has been a superb tool for rural and urban planning for the last few decades, working out local tax rates, planning desirability and mapping social deprivation, where new roads could go or which should be prioritized for repair. Okay, so by using GIS, we can work out local tax rates. We can planning desirability and mapping social deprivation, and also in which area roads are need to be repaired. Such things we can find out by easily find out by using GIS. It is now a vital part of our green future also, as with regular and previous methods of planning. For planning and all, we can rely upon what GIS. So civic planning. Next is health or medical resource management. GIS is vital to proper planning and analysis of the provision of cancer services for UK socialist healthcare system, the NHS, that is National Health Service. So here, for proper planning and analysis of the provision of cancer services, we can use GIS. Okay. Next, the final application of GIS is transport. GIS can be used in managing transportation and logistic problems. If transport department is planning for a new railway or road route, then this can be performed by adding environmental and topographical data into the GIS platform. Okay. So this is all about applications of GIS. Okay, by reading itself you can understand it. So it's very important. In previous university question paper, this question is frequently asked. Okay, thank you.